Good morning, you snoring, wrinkle-ridden little boy. Hey, do you realize how loud you're snoring? And the second I start videotaping you, the snoring completely stops. How does that happen? Huh? Pinkerton. Hey. You were snoring. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Oh, big wrinkles. Are you gonna come over here so I can scratch your butt? Oh, you want your nose scratched? Okay. Oof. 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 You miss Daddy? See, Daddy had to fly back on the airplane last night, huh? Yeah. He's been over here whining and fussing at my door, trying to talk the cat into a visit. Huh? Didn't ya? Did you get the cat come over for a visit? Mr. Pinkerton. Can I have your nose? Alright. You can go back to taking a nap. Say night-night.